Alright, let's get a good old Swiss Army knife out. Oh, goodness. Good old Quebec dirt too to go with it. Decent. Here's somewhere where I haven't been in a long time. I let this place go. Holy. I gotta clear space a little bit, and not putting a car in here quite yet. But my goal today is to finish sealing up the G13B. So this is my goal today. Get new seals all around in this thing, so it doesn't leak anymore. And we're going to put it in the red car. It's cold today. I'm going to light a fire, get things going. It's one way to heat up a garage, I guess. And get it burning here, warm the place up, clean up a bit, and start working on the engine. Alright, the time has come where we have to lift the engine onto the table. I really hope you hold. Anyway, it's a single post, should be fine. I'm gonna try and video us a struggle. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we got the oil pan off. We're going to be redoing all this RTV on here. But I've never seen inside the bottom of a G13B before. And it's kind of cool because they got a brace. So, yeah, just to make everything a little bit stronger. Look at that. See, I was already at that for like 20 minutes. And it didn't look near as good as that.
Just experience that. So.
Alright, so we're going to go bring this oil pan to Zach's work so we can get the gasket off of it. It's a lot easier with the wire wheel. And we're going to continue on. So spoiled being here. Check out that Christmas tree. Well, we cleaned the oil pan. Now it's all nice. We even degreased it and all that stuff too. So we're on our way back to see Paul at the garage. Okay. Make sure there's no cords sitting underneath. We're not going to damage any of the harness. So now it's on this way. This way. Prop it up so we can take it off. And the I gotta. I have the. Alright, so we have everything resealed now. We got.
You didn't do the crank seal.
Oh, that's right. One last thing. We will do that. It's right there. So we'll put that on before we put the harmonic on. So anyway, but everything else except for that has been resealed. So valve cover,
Pan, crank,
everything.
cover, cam seals,
anything where oil can leak that is rubber.
oil pickup, and the dipstick.
Dipstick is hanging right there. We'll put it in right once we get this thing ready. But so next what we're going to do is we're just fixing an ignition wire that broke apart on me when I pulled it apart.
Butcher.
Just because I couldn't find extra wires.
You're not supposed to take your anger out on your car parts.
I'm sorry. But anyway, so we're going to replace this.
Folks home, we can get doped up and then all get stoned. Let's go to the old folks home. I've been there more if only I've known.
Wife sent me out with a 20 and said, buy yourself a Slurpee and get as much change as you can. So, laundry money.
Look, I have one here too.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much, sir.
I have had fun.
We are very close. I just need to zip these on.
Yeah, those are loose.
Zip this and this. So basically the whole timing system is what's next. Have to wait on a timing belt. There's none available in Canada. But now with the time that we're not going to touch this, this will cure. So when we go put oil in there,
Yeah,
it's still tacky.
it's going to take a week.
Yeah, especially in this cold temperature.
Yeah. Well, let's close the door, let the fire burn out, and keep it warm until it dries up.
Yep. I'll pull the bumpers in. And I guess we'll call it there today.
That was my day.
That was my day too. Thank you so much, Paul, for coming by and helping me out.
So much fun.
So it's neat though, eh? Learning about the different variants of these cars.
Yeah, I've never seen a GTI before. This is my first time touching a GTI engine.
And well, we got two here to play with, so if we really want to, we can build one up.
I've always been a 3-cylinder guy.
I have been everything. I like all my stuff. My first car was a V8. My second car was a 4-cylinder. But it was still rear-wheel drive.
I had a nail head for my first engine.
Yeah. Oh, my first car was an 87. So,
66.
yeah, generation gap there a little bit.
Mine was a Wildcat.
Mine was a Cutlass.
I traded the CB radio for it.
Ooh. I worked hard
I
for
wish
mine.
I had the CB radio.
I had a CB radio. Someone stole it out of my Samurai. Yeah, well, I'm going to try and throw some water on that if I have any left. So anyway, we're already here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this is a little bit more entertaining than it has been in the past little bit, but we're working on stuff and trying to get stuff going. This red car, one hell of a project. Hoping that this weekend we can get the wiring done, me and Zach. That shouldn't take too long.
What's happening tomorrow?
Not too sure yet.
Okay, keep in touch.
Perfect. Take care, Paul.